When I was a young cadet in the National Defence Academy, we had gone to see a movie in the Academy movie hall. Before the picture started, they showed a documentary in which the then squadron leader Ranveer Singh was shown receiving the Sahitya Academy Award. We all knew that he was from Jammu, and for all the cadets from Jammu, it was indeed a moment of pride. I shall now recite a sonnet by Umar Yogi, Time. Time flows incessantly without a pause. Or did it pause only in my mind? That made the ever-flowing time pause. It was perhaps a vision of my mind. The two sum of the seen and unseen, the being of effect without the cause, which has been made unsharp and unkeen, and understand what happens in between. I don't refute because I can't refute. I don't regulate because I can't regulate. While agree with the truth wholeheartedly, I don't deny the truthfulness of that time. But I have got to settle the dispute of what I felt and what it really was.